For the ultimate guide to take this course. It's free and it takes you through everything you need to know about Python. So I'll just show you the content first. So yeah, this is the starting, and here you go. It takes you through everything you need to know about Python, from beginner to pro till JSON handling. So that's cool. You must have thought that we have only reached over here. Of course we have reached over here, but we have even used user input. So let's just click operators, and here we go. So these are all the operators and conditions in Python. This is add, subtract, multiply, divide, the usual stuff. This is modulus. It gets the remainder out of two numbers. Exponents, still don't know what is it, but it's useful. Then this is double division. If you do division, of course you'll get a decimal number back in Python. So if you use this, you won't get a decimal number of float value in Python language. And equal to is for assignment, that we have used for input. This is add or equal to, meaning if it's greater than or equal to the same number. And then the rest, I'll leave a link about on this below, or I'll just download this page and give you the link. So yeah, you can also see this. So now that we have this, let's go to our Python IDE. Today I thought let's start with showing how you can save a file. So now, as you saw in the last in our first video, we created a file just by going to new file like that. So yeah, that is helpful. But how to save a file? You have to go to files, save or save as, anything, and then you get this open over here. I want to save it on desktop in the tutorials folder I had here. Here you go, tutorials, and let's save this as tutorial 4. So let's save it, and yeah, it's saved. So now that was a live example of how to save a file. Today we are just going to be using addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, and floor division. Assignment everyone already knows, and these all rest are conditions. We'll learn about conditions in the rest of the tutorials. Let's get started with addition, subtraction, and the usual stuff. So let's note them down. So that's plus, there's into, there's division, there's floor division, and then there is modulus, that's a percentage sign, then there is minus. That's all we are going to be learning for today, guys. So let's get started. So addition, you can add two numbers, that's very easy. Multiplication, also you can multiply two numbers. In division, now from division and even subtraction, you can just subtract. Now these are all the usual math operators you use in your math class. But now, if you'll be a 5th grader or 6th grader like me, you want to be introduced to like this and this. You may be introduced to division, but I'm taking division because I need to show you one example. So we'll go to all one by one, and if I have not showed you guys, you can put the hashtag, and it will and after the hashtag, whatever you write will become a comment. Comments are very useful and they make your writing more readable. So I'm using that so that I don't need to delete this and then run it. So let's choose two numbers, 2 and 6. Answer should be basically 3. So let's print it. and let's run it. So yeah, it's booting. Yeah, see that it didn't show us the answer. Wait, my bad. I have to just change 2 to 6 and 6 to 2. Run it. See that it didn't give us only 3, it gave us 3.0. so we don't want that. Or if you want the decimal float value of that number, you can, but now comes this. Now this is floor division, as we saw over here. So floor division is used to take out the decimal points. So let's just add one more and let's run it. See there, now there's no what we call decimal points after 6. So yeah, that's all for division and floor division. It's simple and easy to understand. Now comes modulus. Now if you have studied division, you may know there's a remainder, a dividend, and the final answer or output. So let's print, let's take 6 and 2 again. So 6 divided by 2. Now if we want to get the remainder, what's the remainder? The remainder will be 0 if as we saw there. But we can, if we don't know the remainder, we can add the percentage sign and run it. There you go, 0. So yeah, that was all of the introduction. So let's start making our let's start with our new project. So let's see, in, let's put a x, then equal to, then input. This is going to just get the remainder of 2 numbers. So let's see, let's type number. Oh wait, I forgot string. Yeah, number 1. Let's copy this, go down, and number 2, and let's change the variable to y, and let's skip one more variable z, that's equal to, remember guys, integer, not like the last video we got output of what do you call, not an output but actually just join 2 numbers, so we don't want that. Let's keep x like this, and then the modulus sign, that's called modulus, sorry I forgot to tell you, modulus, and then int, and then y, and so now let's just print, I'll just print z, run it. There you go, it asks us number 1, I'll give 2, number 2, I'll give 6, there you go, 2. Oh yeah, I'll just change this as y and this as x. Actually you didn't need to do that, so let's run it again. Number 1 is going to be 6, number 2 is going to be 2, and that's 0. It works. So that's all for today guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this video. Please leave a like if you like this video, and I'll see you next time in another Python tutorial.